Helical interpolation is a great way to make many different hole diameters with one cutting tool, especially when making larger diameter holes. It's extremely fast, it's easy to program, especially on newer cam packages, and it uses relatively low horsepower consumption, which means it can be successful even on lighter duty machines. Now, helixing can be executed with multiple tool types. A shoulder mill will leave a nice smooth wall finish, but is pretty slow in operation. A button cutter is definitely faster, but it will leave a scalloped finish, and it generates more tool pressure, which can create problems in long reach scenarios. Now, in our opinion, high feed tools are the best for this type of application. Now, while they do generate a scalloped wall finish, they provide by far the shortest cycle time, and they work very well in those long reach scenarios. Now, here's an example of how it works. Producing a 4-inch diameter through hole on a lighter duty 40 taper machining center with no pre-drill. Notice we start at the 3 o'clock position right above the part and start into a helix motion from there. We'll stay in that motion until we break through the bottom of the part. Chip evacuation is generally the biggest challenge when helixing from a solid, so we've got multiple airlines blowing the chips out of the hole to make sure we avoid recutting those hard chips. Notice that even at 200 inches per minute, we're only running slightly into the yellow on our load meter. This can be maintained for up to 30 minutes without issue, but we won't need anywhere near that long. As we near the bottom of the hole, you will notice some sparks and heat. This is due to both the chips getting smaller as we break through and the wafer or slug beginning to heat and fall away from the main workpiece material. This is normal and does not cause damage to the cutting edge of our tool.